Welcome to another episode of Reading with Pak Steven. Well, Ted has run out of hats, and today he's wearing a headband. He said it was a hat, but I said no, it's not a hat, it's a headband for holding back your hair. So, Mr. Ted, I don't know, I don't really think it suits you, but anyway. Today we have another lovely book, and it's a special book. And why it's special is, again, this book was the winner of the Children's Book of the Year. So you can see that little sticker up there? It's the winner. It's the best book that year, which was, I can't read it. It's too small for my eyes. This story is called How to Make a Bird by Meg McKinley and Matt Otley. To make a bird. You will need a lot of very tiny bones. They'll be smaller than you imagine, some so tiny they are barely there, and they will be hollow. These hundreds of bones so light that when they rest in your palm, you will hardly feel them. These are what will float on air. Yes, because they have to be very light. Otherwise, if they're too heavy, the bird won't fly. Take these bones and arrange them into a bird shape. Any shape will do. The proud arch of an eagle, or the soft curve of a sparrow. And take your time. The making of a bird is not a thing to be hurried. Next, you'll need feathers for warmth and for flight. Smooth these over the bone and your bird shape. Press them firmly into place. Save the longest for the wings and the tail. These are what will lift your bird into the air. Oh, look at all those things you've got there. Now give your bird, inside its brittle bones, a heart that beats faster than any human heart. And sure, steady heart, carry it across ocean and continents, all the way home at the end of a long winter. Some birds do that, don't they? To fly a very, very, very long way. Then add the final touches, like an artist adds the last few brush strokes to a tiny signature. Give your bird keen eyes for hunting, and a beak for building the nest, strong claws for gripping, and a song to sing. Don't you just love bird songs? I have lots of birds at my house. Lots and lots of singing. And when you have made your bird with its bones and its feathers and its grasping claws, you might sit back and sigh. You might think to yourself, I've made this bird, this silent, still shape of a bird. But when you see it sitting, cold as a statue, you will know there is more to a bird than these things you have given it. So you will gather it into your hand and cast it gently upon the air. Those wings you so carefully made will stretch out just a little, and your bird will tremble as it fills inside its tiny racing heart with the dreams only a bird can dream. I wonder where it's going to go to. Of open sky and soaring flight, and then your bird will catch your eye and you will know it's time to go, and open the window. Open it. You're going to let the bird go. Set your bird upon the sill and watch while it stretches its wings and looks round with its clear, sharp eyes. See it shiver as it leans forward onto the air and then takes off, its strong, sudden movement, soaring straight up. The beautifully coloured birds was like, not all birds are colourful, some are. Away and away, never once looking back, until it's disappearing, speck in a vast blue sky. Can you see it there? Very tiny. And feel your slowly beating heart filled with a kind of sadness, a kind of happiness. So this is when you will know that you have really made a bird. What a beautiful story. Now the only thing is, I don't think you can really make a bird. You can't really make a real bird. But maybe you could let a bird go. Maybe. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this story. And I look forward to seeing you next time on Reading with Pak Steven.